Hello guys, welcome by another video of the Mega Profits channel. Is it possible to make 1000 bucks for one day? Can you do this daily? And how easy it's actually to pull such a trade off? I'll totally show you in the coming minutes how you can do this without too much trouble. So let's not lose time and dive directly into this incredible trade. As you can see here, Bitcoin made a splendid move, more than 10% in a matter of hours. As you can see from the low of this candle here to the top of this one, these are more than 50%. And as you can see, this was not so hard to predict, yes. All you had to do was to be well educated, have some experience, and really observe these news outlets so you know and you're up to date with what's happening. From technical point of view, what happened was that Bitcoin did paint an inverse head and shoulders here, and it went up. Then we had price consolidation in a bullish formation. It was a bull flag that formed here like this. And price was really consolidating tight into this consolidation pattern. And while everybody was telling you that we'll most probably go down, I actually knew that this might not be the case. And there is a secret to this thing. As you can see, last Monday we did have a really bad jump, but it was here we went right 4,500, but from this point on after noon we started going up and we actually never stopped. What I wanted to tell you is that no matter how things look and how bad the news are and how the world's economic is going, what I wanted to tell you is that no matter how bad the news might be, you should know that things might always turn to the opposite side. And as you can see, let's go to the 1 hour chart. Bitcoin did not want to go lower, it was supported by the 200 moving average on hourly. It touched it once, then it tried to touch it again, but it did not even go this low, made this rounded double bottom, and it went up with a bang. And if you have watched news and you paid close attention, you'd know that the Federal Reserve had announced that it has infinite amount of cash and it's going to buy every stock and commodity in the amounts needed so that the economy can function again. And since this went into circulation, Bitcoin made this incredible move. So if you really did follow the news outlets, you'd have seen this, and as you knew that Bitcoin is supported by the 200 days moving average, and the most probable way is up to at least the next moving average, the 100 moving average on hourly. Well, you'd have made how much exactly? 8%. And if you use the moderate leverage like X3 or X4, you'd have made 40% or more. How much capital do you need to make 1000 bucks if you can make 40% in several hours? 40%. Well, not more than 4,000. And if you have more, you can even make more. Again, that's not a trading advice. Trading is extremely difficult and risky, and you might have had as well lost this money. But if you're careful enough and you do not oversize your positions, you can make money daily. And what if you do not want to make 1000 daily, but you want to make 100? This will reduce your risk 10 times, and you have to risk 10 times less in order to make this money. So with good risk management, you can always make money. It depends on the degree of risk that you are willing to take. This will affect your gains as well, but your losses in the long term. So I'd suggest that you do not play with too much leverage, with too big positions, and settle for 100 or 200 bucks a day, or in 2 days or something like this. This will be steady passive income, and you won't risk too much to get it. Again, that's not a trading advice. You do this at your own risk, but you should know that the opportunities are always here. And right now, even as things are, Bitcoin is not showing too much weakness. Yes, the legacy markets are now opening at the time of recording of this video, but so far it only seems that Bitcoin is retesting this breakout. Until we return into the channel, we stay bullish. The Fed just announced that it has infinite amount of money. This can mean only possible. This is really possible for Bitcoin, so be sure to have some exposure, stay safe, don't go out if you can, save the people around you. Thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and see you next time. Thank you and bye.